Hello everyone, today I will show you how to change frame rate in DaVinci Resolve. And here's how it is done. This process can be a bit tricky since you will need to create a new timeline with a desired frame rate instead of modifying an existing one. To create a new timeline, go to File and click on New Timeline. Next, uncheck Use Project Settings, then go to the Format tab. Here, you can choose your preferred frame rate. In this case, I am selecting 30 FPS, then clicking Create to finalize the new timeline. Now that we have the new timeline, switch back to the first timeline. Right-click on it and select Copy from the menu. Then go to the timeline 2 and paste timeline 1 into it. That's it. This is how you can successfully change the timeline frame rate in DaVinci Resolve. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.